Greetings everyone. Today we are going to do chapter 4 basic geometrical ideas exercise 4.3 question number 1. Name the angles in the given figure. Whenever we do geometry questions in solution we have to draw the figure. Let us draw the figure. Figure given to us is a quadrilateral and we have to tell the name of the angles A, B, C, D. Now here this is one angle, angle A, or we can say or angle DAB, angle B, or angle ABC, and angle C, or angle BCD. Fourth angle, angle D, or angle CDA. We can write ADC also. Now next question is, in the given diagram name the points in the interior of angle DOE. Now first we'll see angle DOE. This is angle DOE, interior. This portion is interior. In its interior which point lies? A. So answer is A. Solution 2. In the exterior of angle EOF. Now angle EOF, this angle we are considering, angle EOF, and its exterior. So exterior means outside this yellow portion. So in this exterior we have to write the points. Point C, point A, and point D. Here also we can put the symbol of point. Now C part is angle EOF. We have to consider angle EOF, and on this 1, 2, 3, 4 points are there. So we'll write point E, B, O, F. Point E, point B, point O, point F. Now next question is, draw the rough diagram of the angles such that they have one point in common. One point in common. So let us draw. This is one angle I have drawn. Other angle, this is another angle, and both the angles have this point common. I am taking this point. This one point is common. Now 2 points in common. 2 points in common. We'll draw one angle. This is one angle, and we want 2 points in common. Other angle you can draw like this. This is another angle, and they have 2 common points. This is one meeting point. This is also another point. 2 common points. Next is 3 common points. 3 common points. For that we will draw one angle. Suppose this is the angle, and 3 common points. So another angle I am drawing like this. So they have 3 common points. 1, 2, 3. 3 points in common in between these two angles. Now let us do D part. 4 points in common. 4 points in common. So one angle and another angle. Now these two angles have 4 points in common. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have to draw one ray in common. One ray in common. Draw one angle. Now for second angle, take this ray because common we want, and draw the another angle. So these two angles have a common ray. So what is the common here? Common here is between these two angles, this ray is common. Common ray. Thank you.